Welcome to the show, folks, and welcome back to another portion of Quick Clip Tips. I got a quick clip tip for you, and if you've never said that fast 10 times in a row, right now is the perfect time to try it. Quick Clip Tips. Say it 10 times fast. Say it! Welcome back again, folks, and thanks for coming back. The tip for you today is about pulling or installing new frets. I was working on the guitar earlier today, pulling the frets out of it, and I thought, you know, as I was getting ready to pull them out, I thought I should make a video about this. So here it is. It's just a quick click tip that most people never even think of, or you know, don't even know about. A lot of you probably don't know about it. First, I want to say a shout out to my buddy Delvin Lucas, D-E-L-V-I-N-L-U-C-A-S. Check his channel out, man. If you guys that like bluegrass style flat picking guitar, or any kind of guitar, the dude is he's good. He's very good. I met him about several years ago here on YouTube. He had a Santa Cruz guitar, and I was going to buy it off of him. I was set up to do it, and something happened. I had to spend the money on something else. I didn't get it. Anyways, we've been buddies a long time. The dude can pick, and you need to check him out if you like flat picking, or he does other styles too, I think, finger picking stuff too. Alright, get on with the fret thing. I got a piece of fret here. I'll never be able to make you see this. I doubt. I couldn't hold it still even if I could make you see it. But when you're getting ready to pull frets out of a guitar or out of a neck, I can use this neck right here for instance. When you get ready to pull frets out of a neck, before you heat them, or however you do it, before you pull the first fret out, you take the strings loose, or take them off rather, tighten your truss rod up. Now you want to put a little bit of back bow in it. Now we're not talking relief. We're not talking relief. It's probably already got that in it. Well, some guitars you take the strings off and they get back bow. But tighten that a little bit. Put back bow in your neck, okay? Then start pulling your frets out. Same thing if you're getting ready to put new frets in and there's none in there, tighten the rod up, put back bow in the neck, then put your new frets in, and then, you know, set the guitar up, put the right amount of relief that you like in it. Reason being, I was talking about with this piece of fret wire, the tang. You all know what the tang is, okay? They make those different sizes, by the way. This is a medium here. But you can get different widths, so we're talking thousands of inches difference here. So tightening your rod and, you know, getting that back bow in the neck, thousands of inches, it makes a huge difference. What it does, it spreads those fret slots out by putting that back bow in ever so lightly. It spreads them out. It makes the fret easier to come out. Makes the new fret easier to drive in. You know, and then, like I say, put it on the guitar, or put the relief into it you need after you got it strung back up and set up and everything. But what that does is it puts that, spreads those fret slots out just enough to make the fret tang go down in the slot a whole lot easier, and without doing lesser damage. You get lesser chip out by doing this because you're pulling the slots apart, making them just ever so bit lightly wider. I'll get it here in a minute. And that makes a world of difference. I mean, a huge difference. So remember that. That's the tip. Yeah, just don't say nothing. Just do it. And you'll be happy. You'll thank me later. I'm sure you will. So, anyways, thanks for watching. I hope that helps a bunch of you just getting ready to pull out a bunch of frets. Check Devin's channel out. You won't regret it, I don't think. The guy is an awesome guitar picker. Good dude. Talks about a lot of things. He's got a lot of knowledge on guitars and music and stuff. Just check him out, see what you think. I'll put a link down there below to him. In fact, I can't talk, but I will put you a link down there to his channel in case you want to go over and check him out. Cheers. Thanks for watching. I hope that helps.